Okay, so there's a new update, and it says right here for the message of the day. There's a new set of cosmetics in the store. Better stock up on your rain gear. It looks like there could be rain, or it could start raining in the near future. So check this out. Whoo! Rainy boots. How the heck is that gonna work? Oh my gosh, we gotta get. Oh, I like these boots. How the heck is that supposed to work? What?
Hi, how are you?
What? Oh my. I want these so bad. Bro, how are boots supposed to work? Boots. Let's try this first. It's like the coconut head. It's so funny. Just peeks out. Little bunny. I want this. Boots. Actually, we'll leave that for last. Okay. I don't know how this will protect me from the rain, but anyway. Oh, I like this. This hat's cool. Even has a little chin strap. Boots time. What? That's so funny. Oh, there's a hole in the bottom of it. We gotta put the full gear set on. This looks so stupid. These are new, dude. We've never had, like, arm cosmetics. That's cool that we have, like, a new set of cosmetics. That's sick, dude. I cannot wait for more of these. Oh, dude, that's so cool. That's all I had to show you guys, but... Dude, what even is this? Thumbnail.